Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I'm going to make this short because I'm upside down. I wanted to share with you what I was reading today, and it comes from Hebrews 6:7. I'm not going to read it because I don't have my Bible with me right now. But basically what it says is that the round ground that receives rain becomes fruitful. And I thought of this verse because of the rain. I'm often tied to the weather. I love the weather. Anyways, and I think it was just encouraging to me because it's like what we put into our relationship with God is what we get out of it. And so I'm just going to encourage you guys to be spending time with God, be in His Word, and hear from Him. Now, here's the challenge for you. I want to see who's watching my videos. So, if you're watching this, go ahead and email me an idea that you think should be in a morning message, in a morning video, whether it's a challenge, or a random object, or a verse, or a psalm that you think is important. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of. Bye! Oh, I fell.